When a relationship ends, it's not simply the closing of a chapter. It's the quiet, often painful departure of a version of yourself that belonged only to that shared story. The intertwining of two lives, with all its unique rituals, inside jokes, and mutual dreams, leaves a mark that can't be erased by distance or time. We often talk about heartbreak as the loss of another person, but beneath that, there's an even deeper loss, the gradual fading of the self you became within their presence. At the heart of every close relationship lies a blending of identities. Over weeks, months, or years, you absorb mannerisms, language, tastes, and rhythms from your partner. The way you make your morning coffee, the songs you hum while driving, the laughter you share in private, all become colored by their influence. This is the essence of self-expansion, a concept psychologists use to describe how falling in love is as much about growing into someone new as it is about loving another. When that person leaves, it isn't just their absence you feel. It's the absence of the you that was shaped in their company. After a breakup, daily life is haunted by echoes of that shared self. The places you once frequented together suddenly feel unfamiliar, tinged with a bittersweet longing for what once was. A favorite restaurant can trigger a flood of memories, not just of meals shared, but of conversations, laughter, and the sense of belonging you felt. It's as if a part of you remains in those moments, inaccessible and frozen in time. The loss is not just external, it's internal, a hollowing out where you once felt whole. This emotional void is compounded by the small, almost invisible ways your identity shifts. The phrases you adopted from your partner may slip from your vocabulary. The hobbies you explored together might lose their appeal. Even your outlook on the future can change. Dreams you once built together, of travel, family, or shared ambitions, dissolve, leaving you uncertain about who you are and where you're headed. In the mirror, you see a familiar face, but something essential feels missing. It's a subtle, persistent ache, a longing for a self that was only real when you were together. For many, this sense of loss can feel like theft, not in a malicious sense, but as an inevitable consequence of intimacy. We give freely in love, our secrets, our trust, our hopes. We let another person into the most private corners of our hearts, believing those gifts will be cherished. When the relationship ends, those parts of ourselves don't simply return. They remain entwined with the other, scattered in memories and habits that no longer serve us. It's a surrender we rarely acknowledge, but it's at the core of what makes moving on so difficult. And yet, as time passes, healing begins, not by reclaiming what was lost, but by forging something new. The empty spaces left behind become canvases for reinvention. You may find comfort in solitary walks, discover new interests, or reconnect with old friends. The laughter that once belonged to another slowly returns, transformed by experience and resilience. Though you cannot recapture the self you were in that relationship, you can nurture a deeper understanding of who you are now. Someone shaped by love, loss, and the courage to begin again. Even so, reminders linger. A scent, a song, or a familiar street can evoke a sudden pang of nostalgia for the person you used to be. This is the bittersweet truth. Time does not erase the impact of those we loved. It only teaches us to live with their absence. We carry the imprints of former relationships, not as wounds to be hidden, but as evidence of growth and change. Ultimately, the pain of losing a part of yourself in a breakup is a testament to the power of connection. It's proof that love transforms us, leaving indelible marks on our hearts and souls. While we may mourn the loss of certain pieces, we also gain wisdom, strength, and compassion. In the aftermath, we learn to accept that every relationship shapes us, and in that acceptance, we find the courage to keep moving forward, open to the possibility of becoming someone new.